Hello everyone, I am Sarah from Nightbloom Vision, and we are going to take the 5th lesson in Introduction to CSS. Our plan for today is to discuss style for lists, and some examples are list style type and list style image, and then we will go straight into the implementation. So we have two types of lists, if you recall from our HTML lessons, and if you haven't watched them, I would suggest to go on our YouTube channel. You can find all the tutorials that are related to HTML. So we have two types of lists, in unordered list and ordered list. And each of them will take different types of styles. The main property is list style type, and the unordered list could take none, circle, square, and some other geometric shapes. And it can also take a style image, which is any image that you basically want to give it. And we will of course see examples during the demonstration. Whereas ordered list will take list style type of things that are related to upper Roman, lower alpha, etc. We also have another option which is called list style position. It can be outside or inside, and we will be discussing the difference between both. And we can put all of these properties inside one line, which is list style, and then we can give it square, circle, none, anything, inside or outside, and then we can give it a URL for an image. URL is also, it's like a path to the image. And now we will just go into the implementation, and we will experiment with list styles. Okay, so inside the folder that I will provide you in the description, you will have the introduction to CSS, the slides that I just presented, and you have the .html file, you have the .css file, and the folder that contains one image, which is called Pacman. And if we go and open this HTML file in the Notepad++ program, here we go. We can see that we have, of course, the head that contains the title and a link to an external style sheet, which is Introduction to CSS, lesson 05. We have the body. Inside the body, we have heading. This is the biggest heading. And then we have another two headings, sorry. And inside, after each heading, we have an ordered list and an unordered list. Inside the ordered list, we have some list items, and we have the same list items inside the unordered list. And now if we take a quick look at what we have, here we go. This is the page, the HTML page that the code generated. And now we can see inside the introduction CSS, we have the UL, which targets the unordered list. We have the OL that targets the ordered list, and we have the LI that targets all the list item. Okay, inside the unordered list, we can see that it has a background color of blue, just like it is displayed in here. And inside the ordered list, it is green. I will comment these out just for now. We will see them a bit later. Okay, and now we will start with experimenting with list styles. So first of all, you can notice here the circles, and I will now change them into squares. Here we go. I just copied it out or cut it out from the commenting section, and now I will Ctrl S to save, and then I will refresh the page. I can see that these dots are now squares. A circle is the default, so I don't think it's gonna change anything now. We can try list style type to none. What this will do is it will hide these points. We can now try list style image. So I'll put it out of the commented area. And notice here it is taking a URL, which is a path, images /pacman.png, which is which work like this. So let's say the HTML, the CSS file is in here. So this is where it is. I have to access the image folder. So this is why I will add image. And then, and then I will access this image folder, and then I will want to target this pacman.png. So I will just write / and then I write the name of the file that I want. So pacman.png. Let's Ctrl S to save and refresh our page. And now we can see that the dots are transformed into this Pacman image here. And you can go ahead and add just any image you want. Okay, now let's put this back into the command section. Ctrl S to save. And now let's refresh. We see that the circles or dots are back. Now let's go into the ordered list. And let's try the upper Roman list style. Ctrl S to save. Notice that it was numbers before I refresh. Now it's like Roman letters. Sorry, Roman numbers, I mean. We can try the list style type lower alpha. Ctrl S to save. Refresh. So we can see ABC now appeared. And of course, if I just comment it out, the default will be 1, 2, 3. Now we are going to try the list style position inside and outside. And to show you the difference between these two options, I will put these background colors again. Ctrl S to save. Let's see what we get. Okay, so you can notice here the 1, 2, 3 it's kinda in the green box. So it is part of the ordered list, but it is not part of the LIs. Now, if I am to put list style position inside, Ctrl S to save, I can see that these numbers are pushed inside as if they were part of the list item now. And outside, we'll just put them back outside. It is the default thing. And finally, we will see this this list style property. And what it allows me to do is to put all of these properties in just one line instead of writing several lines like list style type upper Roman, then list style position inside. I can write them in just one line. So list style, it will take upper alpha as a list style type. The list style position will be inside, and it will take a URL image. I don't think this will do anything. Oh, it just did. So maybe better remove it because we don't need it. Okay, so here we go, ABC, and it is pushed inside. Let's say, for example, I put outside. Outside. Ctrl S to save. They are pushed back outside of the LIs. That was all for this lesson. Please leave us comments and reviews. In case you need help, we will be ready to assist you. You can send us an email or join our Discord server. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day and see you in the next video.